Uh, I'm Swami Subhash Anand speaking. Now I would like to speak to you on the topic of nanotechnology. You all may be knowing what is nanotechnology. Nanotechnology means smaller to something bigger. For example, or you can say mini. For example, this universe is vast but not infinite. It is finite, it is limited. In the similar way, the human physical body is a mini universe. Mini means nano universe. What are all the functions taking place in this universe? Everything is there in this human physical body. Next thing is I would like to talk to you on nuclear power or nuclear energy. What exactly is nuclear energy or nuclear power? Nuclear power, have you seen, I just want to ask you one question. Have you seen any nuclear or atomic reaction with your bare eyes? You may say, some may say that no, but the answer to is yes. Every day you are watching or you are looking at a nuclear reaction taking place. That's our sun. The sun is nothing but a nuclear reaction taking place in space. That means exactly two hydrogen atoms combine to form a helium molecule. During the process, heat and light is being thrown out. It is a nuclear fission, not a fusion. So that is nuclear energy in space. Next question is whether the sun is moving. This universe itself is moving. Each and every planet, stars, everything, everybody, everything is moving. Nothing is stationary in this universe. The earth moves around the sun. The moon moves around the earth. And the sun also moves around some other bigger sun or any other energy source. It also rotates, moves. And finally, each and every object moves. Objects, stars, planets, nebula, everything is moving. But the center point is the supreme, that is the supreme entity, which is there. And the whole universe is moving around that supreme. The universe is moving and it is not unlimited or infinite, it is finite. One more thing is that in our solar system, does any other planet has life? For example, Mars. Mars, there is life, but it is an evolving planet. Life is there on the soil of the planet Mars. The life is evolving, evolutionary stage. Then you may find life in the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the human beings, the beings who are there are much more developed beings than the beings on this earth. Okay, next is avatar. What is avatar? Avatar means reincarnation. So what exactly is reincarnation? Reincarnation means whenever the papa or sin becomes more, at that time the God takes a human form and takes birth in the form of human body, human being, and that is avatar, we say. There are three types of papas. First is you say bad words to anybody, that is papa. In Sanskrit we say pataki. Then you hit anybody and kill anybody, that is atipataki. And for example, Ravana took Sita in the garb of a saint, in the dress of a saint, so that is called Mahapataki, means sin which you cannot you cannot forgive for that kind of sins. That is Mahapataki. So when the Mahapataki in the society increases, and in the society when Mahapatakis are more in number, so at that time the God or the Supreme has to take birth in the form of human beings to establish truth, honesty, morality, that is to establish dharma. Next point is Australopithecus. What is exactly Australopithecus? Australopithecus is a branch of monkey. From that branch, human beings have evolved and come up. Human beings have come up to this branch of Australopithecus. Human mind. What is the human mind? The human mind, there are various notes, books on the human mind. The human mind is nothing like a simple thing like human mind consists of three aspects, that is Chitta, that is conscious mind, Aham Tattva, that is subconscious mind, and Mahat Tattva, that is unconscious mind. The Mahat Tattva, unconscious mind, that is the witnessing entity, which is psycho-spiritual in nature. So what does the Chitta do? Chitta is related to the senses. Not related, senses are a part of Chitta, that is whatever you see, hear, think, taste, etc. is a part of Chitta. Example, you see a goat. So it's actually you're not seeing a goat. The form of goat is been taken place in your Chitta, and that goat is being seen by you or through your eyes. That means the internal eyes or your brain. That way you hear a sound. Chitta takes the form of that sound, and you hear that sound that way. So it's that Chitta. Then Aham Tattva, that is the subconscious mind. Any thought which goes to the subconscious mind, God has to do it. That's why all dreams, even magicians perform many acts on the subconscious mind level. Any thoughts or any dream which goes into the subconscious mind, God has to do it. Then comes the Mahat Tattva. That is the unconscious mind. It is just a witnessing entity. It is related to the spirit, that is psycho-spiritual. Mind and spirit are they are together over there. Together means there is a border over there. Or human mind. Then I wanted to tell about a dialogue. As you think, so you become. As you think that you are a fool, you become a fool. You think you are brilliant, you become brilliant. You think that you are a millionaire, you become millionaire. So as you think, so you become. Microvata. The next is microvata. What exactly is microvata? Which at present till today nobody knows about it. Very few people knows. Microvata is nothing but the life on this planet Earth, as well life in this universe. It travels, it has got no boundaries. It travels in this universe anywhere, and it is very small, smaller than atom molecules. It is billions of microvata condensed to form a single carbon molecule. It has no boundaries. There are three types of microvata: positive, negative, and neutral. What does the positive microvata do? Positive microvata is positive. Positive people control positive microbiota, and negative microbiota, in dirty places you find negative microbiota, and the neutral microbiota also. So that way microbiota. Next one is always look at the bright side of everything. You have to always look at the bright side of everything, because each and every object has both sides. As a coin has two sides, heads and tails, in the similar way life has got two sides, and everything God has created in two sides. You have just to look at the bright side. If you look at the negative side, your mind becomes negative and you won't be successful. So for example, day is there, night is there, male, female, happiness, sorrow, so many things like that there. So always look at the bright side of everything. So that's it. Next is peace is the result of struggle. So how you get peace? What is peace exactly? And what is struggle? Struggle means, like, if you are speaking, that's also struggle. You walk, so that's also struggle. You eat, you do any action, that everything there involves struggle. But peace only comes when you master over the struggle. Peace is the result of struggle. So if you don't like struggle, then your place is in smashan or cemetery. What's the meaning of that? If a person is lazy, you don't want to struggle, and you don't want to struggle and achieve his goal and whatever, then he will die, or his place is in smashan, that means cemetery. There's no use of that person living. He has to go that way. So nothing is free in this universe. No free lunch. You have to do action as a good reaction. Action as a reaction. So you have to be active. In Hindi we say, "Kaam karte karte maro, marte marte kaam karo." What the meaning of that? Kaam karte, kaam means action, work, job. Kaam karte karte maro, work and die. Marte marte kaam karo, die and work. So that's it for today. One more thing, like avatar. Basically, Lord Shri Krishna was an avatar around 3,500 years ago. Lord Shri Krishna was on this planet Earth, and Mahabharata war has taken place. Yes, given the Bhagavad Gita, etc. Then 7,000 years ago, Lord Shiva was there on this planet Earth. He started the marriage system. There was no marriage system before that. He started the marriage system. He was then he also given the music, Sarigama Padanisa. Then Ayurveda. Many things he has given. So that way. My name is Subhash, Swami Subhash Anand. My mobile number is 99951333381. I'll repeat, 99951333381. My email ID is subhashnadeshan@gmail.com. SUBHASH Nadeshan NADESHAN So you may call me or contact me for any or all of your all your problems, or for counseling or anything. You can call me. I am at your service anytime. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope you like my video. You can send the feedback. I am waiting and expecting your feedback. Thank you very much. Thank you.